Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a group on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead and access your Snapchat app and log in. Now right afterwards, all you gotta do is tap on this chat icon in the bottom left and tap on this little pencil icon in the blue circle, and now tap on this choose people to add. Right, let's go ahead, choose them. Once you're done, you can tap on this new group name and go ahead, add in the name. Once you're done, tap on this chat with group, and there you go, you will be able to create yourself group. Make sure to add multiple people on it and make sure to turn on the notification for them as well, so whenever you receive a message on your group, you can simply get the notification and come over here and chat with them. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.